Hello there, this is K109 Math, back to talk about math. But this time I am going to prove something that causes quite a bit of debate in some math classes, and that is whether 0.9 repeating equals 1 or not. I'm going to prove this two different ways. One is more of an intuitive, sort of a lower level of math way to prove it. And then the second way will involve some algebra. Alright, so the first proof is going to utilize some background information that most students who are in pre-algebra already know, and that is that 0.33 repeating equals 1/3. Now that's usually something that teachers sometimes assign for memorization to younger students, but I'm going to quickly show you why this is true. So 1/3, that's a division problem, right? That's 1/3, and we can compute that, put it in decimal form by just doing long division, 1 divided by 3, and then start the division. And you see pretty quickly that you're just going to get a bunch of 3's after the decimal point, and that's why 1/3 equals 0.3 repeating. Okay, so if you accept that, then that's what the first proof's going to be based on, this equation. So I'm going to take this equation and OPE, or that's my way of saying I'm going to do the same thing to both sides. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So 3 times 0.33 repeating over, or equals 1/3 times 3. Now the right side, 3 times 1/3 is 1, and the left side will be 0.9 repeating. And there you have it, 0.9 repeating is 1. Okay, that may satisfy some of you, but others may not be satisfied. So I have this other way. So I'm going to start with the equation that 0.9 repeating equals x, because I don't know what it equals yet. And then I will multiply both sides of this equation by 10. So that changes that to, here, I'm going to actually write the 10 so we know where that came from. So I multiply both sides by 10, and we get this on the left, and we get 10x on the right. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this new equation over here, and the original equation right under it. And then I'm going to subtract the equations, also known as linear combination if you take an algebra. 9x on the right and 9 on the left. Divide both sides by 9, x equals 1. And there you have it. Because what was x in the first place? X was 0.9 repeating. So to be totally formal about it, then I substitute 0.9 repeating in for x, and 0.9 repeating equals 1. So there you have it. Two separate proofs, one more algebraic, more formal than the other one, but I think they both work. Thanks for watching K109 Math. We'll see you later.